Hello friends, here we see the introduction to the data structure part 2. The first one is the list. Lists are linear linked list can be defined as the collection of variable number of data items. Lists are the most commonly used non-primitive data structure. An element of list must contain at least two fields, that is, one is storing of the data, that is information, and another is storing of the address of the next element. As you know that storing of address, we have a special data structure of list. The address must be used by the pointer type. List. Technically, each such element is referred to as node. Therefore, this below diagram shows first one AAA. This is the head, which is information field, and then this space is used for the address, which is directed by the pointer. It is a simple variable which stores the address of next variable, that is the address of BBB. Next, this is the data of BBB, and this stores the address of CCC. So this indicates first part is the data and next part is the address of the particular list. So the types of linked lists are single linked list, doubly linked list, single circular linked list, doubly circular linked list. Stack it is a linear data structure which performs the operations in last in first out and first in last out manner. Stack is also an ordered collection of elements like array, but it has a special feature that deletion and insertion of a particular element can be done from only one end. That end is called as top of the stack. Due to this property, it is also called as last in first out type of data structure. It could be through the just like a stack of plates placed on a table in a party. A guest always takes the fresh plates from the top, and new plates are placed on the stack at the top. It is non-primitive data structure. When an element is inserted into the stack or removed from the stack, its base remains fixed where the top of the stack changes, because top is always either inserted or removed, so the value of top is always either incremented or decremented. Incremented means that when element is inserted, top is incremented. If element is removed or deleted, then top it will be decreases. So this diagram shows the information or the data which is you want to push, so it will be inserted. If you want to pop, then it will be deleted. Insertion of element into a stack is called as push. Deletion of elements from the stack is called as pop. So the next, the stack can be implemented into two ways: using arrays, that is static implementation of stack, and using pointer, that is dynamic implementation of the stack. Queue is another data structure. Queue are first in first out type of data structure, that is FIFO, or last in last out. If there are many people standing for the admission, so the first student come for admission goes first. So first in first out. If the student comes at the last, then it will be the last in and last out. So this is called as queue. In a queue, new elements are added to the queue from one end and called as rear end, and the elements are always removed other end called as front end. So added the element from rear end and deleted the element from front end. These are the queue constants: rear end and front end. Rear means if you want to add the element to the queue, that is rear, and if you want to remove element from the queue, that is front end. The people standing in a railway reservation row are an example of queue. So this is example. This diagram shows 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. The first end rear. If you want to add the element in the queue, then it will be added to the rear end, and if you want to delete the element from the queue, so it will be deleted from or removed from the end, which is called as front. Each new person comes and stands at the end of the row and person getting their reservation confirmed to get out the rows from the front end. The below figure shows whatever I explained here, it will shows in this diagram. Queue. The queue can be implemented in two ways, using arrays, that is static implementation, and using pointer, that is static implementation. This representation or implementation of queue is as like a stack. Trees. Tree, it is one kind of data structure. Tree can be defined as a finite set of data items. Tree is a non-linear data type of data structure in which data items are arranged or stored in a sorted sequences. Tree represented a hierarchical relationship between various items. In trees, there is a special data items at the top of hierarchy called as root of the tree. The remaining data items are partitioned into number of mutually exclusive subsets, each of which is itself a tree which is called as subtree. There is a root which is called as the parent node, and there are subnodes which are called as subtrees, and subsets of that particular child nodes, it is called as tree. Tree always grows in a length towards bottom in data structure, unlike natural trees which grows upward. So this is diagram shows this is the root node. Then there are two child nodes. B and C are the child nodes of root A, and B is considered as a root node for D and E, and C is considered as a root node for F and G. This is a whole called as tree. This is tree. B, D, E, this is a subtree. C, F, G, this is a subtree, and this whole is a total tree. Next is the graph. Graph is a mathematical non-linear data structure capable of representing many kinds of physical structures. It has found applications in geology. It has found applications in geography, chemistry, and engineering sciences. Definition of a graph is G. V, E is a set of vertices. V stands for vertices, and E for the set of the edges. Graph. An edge connects a pair of vertices, and many have weight such as length, cost, and other measuring instruments for according the graph. Vertices on the graph are shown as a point or circles, and edges are drawn as arcs or line segments. This diagram shows what is actual graph. So these V are the actual vertices, and these are 10. These are the edges, vertices, and these are the lengths. These are the directed graph which shows V1 to V2. The length of that size of this edge is 10. This edge is 6, 11, 9, 8, 15. This direction shows from V1 to V2, so it is called as directed graphs. Always shows the direction from which vertex to which vertex. It is called as directed graphs. And these are the vertices V1, V2, V3, V4 are the undirected graph because it don't shows any kind of direction from which vertices to which vertices. So this is undirected graph. Types of graph. The types of graphs are directed graph, as earlier we show the directed graph, undirected graph, simple graph, weighted graph, connected graph, and non-connected graph. These are the various types of graphs. So that's it from the chapter Introduction to the Data Structure. Thank you.